Namaste dear student. Today we are in 17th class and we are discussing here about electrical method. Okay? Electrical method, how we can convert the iron nail into magnets. Okay? We are discussing here because before that we have discussed double method and single method of stopping method. We have discussed that and now we are discussing here. So firstly you see this figure. Here is one cell, this is a positive and this is a negative. Okay? We say this is positive and this is negative, and this is a solenoid and iron nail, and here also one nail is here, and this is the wire. Which wire? Insulated copper wire. This is insulated copper wire. Okay, from this positive end that wire touches here, then after this negative wire also touches here. Okay, let's see. To make the electromagnet, we are going to make the electromagnet. Our main motive is this. Through electrical method, we are going to make the electromagnet. Why it is known as electromagnet? Because magnet, the iron is converted into magnet by the electrical method. So it is the electromagnet. Okay. So in this, to make electromagnet, what type of materials needed? An iron. This is an iron. Okay. This is an iron. This one is an iron pin. This is pin. Okay. This one is pin. Insulated copper wire. Insulated copper wire, we can say this is bent here, insulated copper wire. Or dry cell, this one is dry cell, has a positive and negative charge. Or positive and negative. So first number, an iron nail, insulated copper wire, pin, dry cell. These are the materials. So method, how we do it? Wind of the iron nail by using the insulated copper wire in about 100 turns. This iron nail should turn on how many times? With insulated copper wire, it turns around 100 times. Suppose this is an iron nail, and you should turn on with a copper insulated wire. Okay? How many times? 100 times. Connect the two ends of the enamel copper wire with the dry cell. This enamel wire. This is the enamel wire. Okay? This is the copper wire. We should touch with the wire in both in the cell. Both in the cell. Are made connect with one end connect with positive and next end connect with negative. Bring iron nails close to iron pin. What happened to this nail? Then this nail should come close to the iron nail. This pin no. This pin we should keep close to the iron nail. And what happens to the nail? And let me see what will happen here. Disconnect the wire from the cell. Now what happened here? And one time connect it, then bring it near the pin. You can write the pin. Okay? It's your pin. Keep this pin near the nail, this iron nail. Then see what happened, and once disconnect it. Okay, disconnect it and see what happened then. There is 2 questions. Let's read the book. Let's read the book. When the circuit is closed, when this circuit is closed, okay, when this is connected, the nail becomes a magnet. The nails become a magnet known as electromagnet, and when the circuit will disconnect, when this circuit closed circuit, okay, then it becomes like a electromagnet. But when it disconnects, when we disconnect this, when we disconnect the nail, demagnetizes. Then the nail demagnetizes. It not work as a electromagnet. Okay. When we make it closed circuit, when we connect with the wire, then it works as an electromagnet. But when we disconnect it, then what it would do? The nail becomes demagnetized. Okay. Thus an electromagnet is a temporary magnet that is made by passing electric current in a coil made around a soft magnetic body. When it becomes closed circuit, then this nail become a electromagnet, but it works as a temporary magnet, not a permanent. It becomes a temporary magnet because it is working with the electricity. Okay? Magnetic pole of the magnet can be changed by changing the connection of the electric circuit. If you like to change the pole, then the circuit can change. You can change the plus might be minus and minus might be plus, then this pole also can be changed. Okay? We can increase the magnetic strength of a magnet in the following ways. We can change the magnetic strength. If you like to increase or make the strength of the magnet, then by following ways you can do it. By increasing the number of cells. If you increase the number of cells, again you keep your next cell. If you keep your next cell, if you increase the number of cells, then it extends the nails become magnetic, electromagnet, and its strength can increase. By increasing the number of turns of the wire in the coil. In this figure, we had only turns 100 times. If you turn more than 100 times, 150 times, 200 times, more than 100 times, then also the strength of the magnet, this nail, can increase. An electromagnet is better than a permanent magnet in the following ways. This is how an electromagnet is better than the permanent magnet. Okay. Magnetic strength of an electromagnet can be changed. Magnetic strength of electromagnet can be changed. Yes, we have saw here when we increase the number of cells, the strength increases. When we when we increase the number of turns, then strength change. Then electromagnet, as our wish, we can increase the strength of the magnet. It is temporary magnet, so convenient to. It is temporary, so very convenient. It does not get demagnetized by its storing for a long time. It cannot demagnetize. Magnetic pole of a magnet can be changed according to our requirement. Yes, magnetic pole can be changed according to our requirement. Suppose this is the, if you like to change the pole of this, then a positive minus, negative and negative. Positive can connect there. It can be made in any shape and size. You can make it in any shape and size. In this way, we can produce according to our way. To how we can realize how to make the electromagnet. Then first we take a cell, an iron nail, pin, solenoid means we can say that here is insulated copper wire. You can turn on here, and then after we connect this wire to the positive and next one negative, and we can to know ourselves it get electromagnetic or not. This pin we keep near it, and it will be stick. It shows its strength. Okay, this nail work as a magnet. If you like to increase its strength, then number of cells, if you increase, then its strength can increase. The nail strength can increase as a magnet. If you turn more than 100 times, then again its strength can increase. This way we can do it. Okay? Any confusion, dear student? Yes, one fact is here. Keepers are used to avoid the demagnetization during storing of permanent magnet. You see? So, dear student, I think you are clear here.